gets going.
My name is Raisa Raghi. My course code is C0183 and my personal code is 5014588. Today we'll be cleaning the computer screen, the mouse, keyboard and the vents that are located on the side. Before you start, you have to make sure that the screen monitor is off and that the appliance is off as well. Today we'll be using the screen surface cleaning wipes, and we'll also be using the general purpose cleaner, which is a spray that you use to clean the keyboard and mouse. So first of all, we'll be cleaning the screen. So you take one cleansing wipe, and all you have to do is make sure you take all the dust and any fingerprints that are on the screen. So once you clean the screen, you then have a piece of cloth and you just spray the general purpose cleaner. And then you just have to clean the keyboard with that. Clean it properly so all the dust has been removed, and underneath as well. And then you do the same thing with the mouse. And for the vents which are located on the side, you just go over it and make sure you remove all the dust. And that's how you clean a computer, keyboard and mouse. My name is Raisa Raghi. Thank you for watching.